And as you can see, we successfully got our target. Means we didn't give our stop loss and we achieved our target after holding for whole day. Hey everyone, Gaurav here and welcome to the Stratex path. Today we will going to learn a beautiful strategy which is called VWAP bounce trend support strategy. This is gonna be a trend following strategy. That is why we will going to earn massive profits in a trending market. So without any further ado, let's learn this beautiful VWAP bounce strategy. Okay, to apply this strategy, we have to come to our trading platform and plot our desired chart here. After that, we have to choose our time frame by clicking on this icon. We will going to choose 5 minutes from here, or if you don't see these options here, you have to just click on this little arrow. And from here, you have to choose 5 minutes from it. Click on it. Okay, after clicking, we can see now our chart is plotted as a 5-minute chart. Today, we will going to learn a VWAP strategy. That is why we have to choose VWAP indicator from this indicators tab. Click on it and search for VWAP. VWAP. VWAP stands for volume weighted average price. Click on it and cross it. Now we can see 3 lines are plotted on our chart. This is our VWAP indicator. Now we don't need this upper line, lower line and this area. So that is why we have to come to the VWAP option. Go to the settings icon. And after clicking on it, you can see 4 options are here. Just uncheck these 3 options and go to the VWAP's color. Click on it and choose a brighter color. Because we are using a dark background, that is why we will going to choose a light color. And click OK. Now we can clearly see our VWAP is now plotted as a single line. Now we have to understand how we will going to enter to our trades by using this VWAP. For doing this, we need to just hide our chart. Now we can see our VWAP indicator is isolated. Now we have to understand what is VWAP. VWAP is an indicator who used to carries its previous candle's average volume and shows us as a line, by which we can determine the volume is going down or the volume is going up like this. Okay. So now we understood what is VWAP. Now let's understand how we will going to take our trade or enter to our trades. See, we have to see this kind of structure in price. Like the price should come like this and take a rejection from this VWAP and should go up like this. Only then we can take our trades. Or the price should come from below like this and take a rejection and come down again. Only then we can take our short trades. So now we understood how we will going to take our trades. Let's delete this and let's unhide our chart. Okay. Now we can see our candlesticks and as well as our VWAP is now visible. Now see, the price came down here. It took a rejection from its upper VWAP line. And it came down again. But we will not going to enter right now. 90% retail traders used to do this mistake. They just enter when the price came down again by taking the rejection. And that is a wrong thing. You should not enter directly like this. So what we can do? We have to just wait for another down close candle like this. Means after taking rejection from VWAP, we have to have some sort of confirmation, which is this second red candle. And after seeing this kind of setup, we have to take our trade or we can enter to our trade. We have to just set our stop loss to our previous swing high because it is a short trade. That is why we have to plot our stop loss to our previous swing high with some buffer. And we can aim for 1:3 target. And as you can see, we successfully got our target. Let's see another trade, whether we got another trade or not. See, here is a rejection and here is a second red candle. So we will going to take this trade and we have to just plot our stop loss to our previous swing high here. And we will going to aim for 1:3, but we didn't get and our stop loss got triggered. But nothing to worry. As I told you, we are taking 1:3. That is why we don't have to think about this kind of small losses. So here is another setup, but the day is ending here. So we will not going to trade here. Let's see next day. Here is a bullish candle. Did we see another bullish candle? No. But after breaking down, after closing below VWAP, we can see here is another red candle and this is our confirmation candle. So we will going to take trade here. Our stop loss will be our previous swing high here, and we will going to aim for 1:3. Let's see we got or not. Let's drag it down, and as you can see, we successfully achieved almost 1:2. But the fun part is we got our target 1:2, but our stop loss is intact. Means we didn't give our stop loss and we achieved our target after holding for whole day. So this is the magic of this VWAP trading strategy. See, we trade for consecutive 2 days and we got our target for 2 times and hit our stop loss for only once, and that is a small loss. So see how after using this VWAP we can able to trade this kind of massive profits. Now I hope you guys understand how to trade by using VWAP. Hope you find this video helpful. See you on the next video. Till then, happy trading.